was a beautiful blue day on the island of Sodor. At Knapford Station, everybody was very excited for the 2023 annual Hot Wheels road race. '23 annual Hot Wheels road race. Bah! Everybody knows that I'm the fastest vehicle on this island.
Oh, stop your complaining, Gordon. If anything, I bet the Team Hot Wheels might even break your world record. How would you like that?
Oh, the indignity.
Speaking of which, here they come now.
As soon as the Hot Wheels team arrived, Thomas presented them with a warm greeting.
Good morning. My name is Thomas the Tank Engine. What's your names? I'm glad you asked. My name is Gage. But that's not all, my friend. Meet my other friends, such as Wyatt, Rhett, and Brandon. And together, we're Team Hot Wheels, defenders of the road. It sure is lovely to meet you, fellas. Good luck on the racetrack today, but I must warn you that it's not a good idea to be stuck on the railway lines. It can be a very dangerous place for people. Well, try telling that to the notorious Greasebeard. Who? You know, Greasebeard, our longtime rival. He'll only do whatever it takes to start hogging the streets from any other driver in the world. And trust me when I say that he makes no promises. I see. Also, I hope you don't mind who our official will be once the race begins.
Guess who?
Right. On your marks, get set.
Now where do they think they're off to, eh? Not to mention how lost I am now. Whatever. I'll just look for directions anyway. Yes, folks, it looks like Team Hot Wheels are in the lead, and the disappearance of Greasebeard is quite questionable if you ask me.
So far, so good, huh? Save your breath, Woodpecker. There's always a major difference between the losers and the winners. Yeah, and when it comes to road and/or railroad racing, I would always have my thoughts about the big blue engine with the number 4 and how he's supposed to be the fastest vehicle on this island. Okay, maybe it's best to not keep bad-mouthing the big guy. I mean, when somebody starts rambling on and on about how they can prove to be as good as Gordon, he usually goes into one of his trademark rants.
That's a good way to bloody kill somebody!
Those little rascals have got to be around here somewhere. I can smell it. Nuts and bolts.
Back at Knapford, everyone was waiting anxiously for the other racers. James specifically was impatient. I'm sorry. This is taking way too long. I'm out of here. Suddenly, without warning, everyone heard a mysterious noise. Wow, what a great race out there, fellas. Perhaps maybe someday that your road racing skills might even break Gordon's yearly world record. Hey, fellas, I hope you don't mind me saying this, but I have the strangest feeling that somehow we have forgotten somebody.
Serves you right, you crazy hot rodder.
Oh, drat that blasted wabbit. Where is he? Now wait just a second. This ain't the forest. This looks more like an overgrown hedge of the neighborhood. I knew I should have taken that left turn to Albuquerque.
Say, who are you, Doc?
Yes. Allow me to introduce myself. I am Glinda, the Good Witch. Welcome to Emerald City. And today I must ask, are you a good witch or a bad witch?
Pardon me, but clearly you are mistaken. I ain't no witch. I'm a rabbit. Judging by the trademark rabbit ears, as you can see. So, what's all the hubbub, bub?
Well, you see, my friend, the Munchkins are in hiding as of right now because the Wicked Witch of the West has planned to take over Emerald City in the blink of an eye. And unless we find a brave warrior with confidence and enthusiasm, there is nothing we can do to defeat her in time. You ain't just whistling Dixie, sister. Now you better try to stay out of my way. I'll be sure to get that little gray rabbit and his little gloves, too.
Gee, what a crafty old lady. So, is there something I could do to help?
Well, perhaps the Munchkins will lead you the way to our one and only Wizard of Oz.
The who?
The Munchkins, silly. See for yourself. Follow the yellow brick road.
Follow the yellow brick road.
Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road.
So long, fellas. I'll send you a postcard from Metropolis City.
Tis I, the great and powerful Oz. State your name at this moment.
Bugs Bunny Esquire, Your Majesty, to which I respond thy phrase, what's up, Doc?
I can see that. Now, I am requesting a very small task. Defeat the Wicked Witch of the West, and I shall grant you any kind of request you want.
Sure thing, Mr. Wizard. You won't be disappointed. Don't bother, Mac. I'll just find a seat down front at the theater. I sure do hope they show a Western movie.
I'm only 3.5 years old.
What maroons they are.
It's that rabbit again. He must have defeated my army. Right. Sending the flying monkeys.
Contact.
Well, that's that.
Oh, that does it! I suppose if you want something done right, you gotta do it yourself.
She's gone. What have you done?
No, fellas, I can explain.
Oh, hail to Bugs Bunny! The Wicked Witch is gone! Oh, hail to Bugs Bunny! The Wicked Witch is gone!
What did I say? What did I say?
I think I can explain that.
Say, now wait just a cottontail picking minute. Weren't you that wizard guy from earlier?
Well, indeed, Mr. Rabbit. Just like I said, once you defeat the Wicked Witch of the West, I shall grant you one request.
And by request, you mean one wish, right?
Well, indeed, Mr. Rabbit.
Oh, okay then. Well, I sure do love to stay and become the new leader of this castle, but I sure do wish I could get back home to my forest. You see, Mr. Warner has offered me a contract to star in motion pictures. It gives me that kind of charming character.
Then your wish is my command.
What's cooking, Glinda?
You are a cute little one, aren't you? However, before your wish is granted, you must stand up straight, close your eyes, and tap your heels together when I wave my magic wand. Are you ready, Mr. Rabbit?
Yeah, go ahead, Mac. I'm ready. Why, it was all just a dream, wasn't it? That's what you think, Rabbit. I love that woman.
All right, girls, this battle may not be easy, but we must defeat the purple vixen in one piece so we can appreciate it. So, are you with me? Oh, you bet we are.
And we can help you too.
Who are you?
Ah yes, allow me to introduce ourselves. My name is Oxfordus Pax, and alongside me are Motor Muscle and Thunder Beetle. Together, we are the BattleBots, defenders of planet Earth.
Okay, so why are you here, actually?
Why are we here? Well, allow us to explain, young child. Our mission in life is to protect the galaxy, planets, and people from the evil danger drones, led by the notorious Moodytron.
If the danger drones come to Earth unexpectedly, they'll start transforming Earth machines and start building a new army.
So it's up to the three of us, naturally, to keep planet Earth in safe hands and to make sure that the danger drones are rendered quickly obsolete.
Precisely.
Look, fellas, I really appreciate your honesty of needing our help, but this is kind of a superhero's job, don't you think?
Au contraire, my friends. It turns out that you seem to be in a bit of a pickle with your arch enemies, so we, the BattleBots, thought that maybe we could lend you a helping hand.
As a matter of fact, step aside, boys. I'll take it from here.
Oh, would you look at that? A shooting star. Perhaps one of these days my wishes will come true.
Wow, what a convenient yet climatic way to defeat your own enemies. I'll say. Hey, thanks for helping us get rid of that purple palooka. We couldn't have done it without you.
Anytime, Viva and friends. And remember, if you need any help, just give us a call.